Top 10 interesting facts you didn't know about bees. Nature enthusiasts, get ready to uncover the fascinating world of bees. In this video, we will explore the top 10 interesting facts that you probably didn't know about these crucial creatures for our ecosystem. From their amazing abilities to mind-boggling curiosities, this enlightening journey will change the way you see bees. Number 10. Threats to their survival. Although many might be surprised to discover it, bees not only struggle against natural challenges but also against factors created by human activity. One of the major dangers to bees is the indiscriminate use of pesticides in agriculture. Often, these chemicals negatively impact bee colonies by interfering with their nervous system, orientation, and communication abilities. The overuse of pesticides poses a direct threat to bee health and, ultimately, to the pollination of food crops. Furthermore, habitat loss due to urbanization and agricultural expansion also poses a significant challenge. As natural areas are destroyed to make way for human infrastructure, bees lose key nesting and nectar-collecting locations. This contributes to the decline in bee populations and negatively affects biodiversity overall. Number 9. Spiral dance. These small architects of the ecosystem reveal an astonishing and complex form of communication through a spiral dance that has left scientists perplexed. This remarkable behavior, known as the spiral dance, is a unique expression that provides crucial information about the location of nectar and pollen sources. When a bee discovers a rich food source, it returns to the hive and performs a special choreography for its fellow bees. The spiral dance is a display of precise movements that give specific details about the distance and direction of the discovered resource. This phenomenon has been meticulously studied, revealing that the speed and tilt of the dance convey accurate information about the location of the nectar or pollen source. The intriguing spiral aspect of this dance is not merely aesthetic. Each turn and twist serves a clear purpose. Scientists have found that the number of turns in the dance is directly related to the distance of the food source. The more turns, the greater the distance. Additionally, the tilt of the dance indicates the precise location in relation to the position of the sun. Number 8. Polyethism. Polyethism, a fascinating behavior observed in bee colonies, reveals surprising complexity in the social structure of these insects. Instead of having a single type of bee to perform various tasks such as caring for the young, collecting food, or defending the hive, bees show a specialization of functions among their members. In a typical hive, different castes of bees are common. Worker bees, responsible for daily tasks like collecting nectar and pollen, building combs, and caring for larvae. Nurse bees, responsible for feeding and caring for the young. And finally, guard bees, dedicated to defending the hive. What's notable about polyethism is that these castes are not fixed and can change throughout a bee's life. For example, a worker initially responsible for food collection can transform into a nurse bee based on the colony's needs. This flexibility and specialization allows the hive to adapt efficiently to variations in environmental conditions and internal colony demands. Number 7. Developed sense of smell. Among the many abilities possessed by these tireless pollinators, one of the most interesting facts is their highly developed sense of smell. Despite their tiny size, bees have evolved with an exceptionally sharp sense of smell, vital for their survival and function in the hive. This sense enables them to detect and recognize a wide range of odors, playing a crucial role in communication, food searching, and hive identification. The developed sense of smell in bees is essential for locating nectar-rich flowers. They use their antennae, equipped with numerous olfactory receptors, to detect the chemical compounds released by flowers. This ability not only helps them find food sources but also significantly contributes to the pollination process, facilitating the efficient transfer of pollen between plants.
Number 6. Flight speed.
In the fascinating world of bees, one of the most surprising facts is their incredible flight speed. These small insects, seemingly delicate, possess astonishing aerial prowess that often goes unnoticed. While their flight may appear calm and methodical as they buzz around flowers, the reality is that bees are swift masters of the air. The flight speed of a bee may vary by species, but generally, it is estimated that many of them can reach impressive speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour. This capability is crucial for their survival and success in searching for nectar and pollen in vast areas. The secret behind this ability lies in the extraordinary adaptation of their wings. Bees have short and robust wings that allow them to make quick and precise movements. Additionally, their ability to adjust the wing beat frequency contributes to their agility in the air. This capability not only facilitates food searching but is also crucial for evading predators and competing with other bees in the floral landscape.
Number 5. Sociability.
Bees, those tireless pollinators that play a crucial role in our ecosystem, possess a fascinating characteristic: their incredible sociability. These insects have developed a highly organized and cooperative way of life throughout evolution, living in colonies composed of thousands of individuals. The sociability of bees is most evident in honeybee colonies, where each individual has a specific role and contributes to the well-being of the hive.
In a typical hive, 3 types of bees can be found: the queen, workers, and drones. The queen is the sole reproductive female of the colony and is responsible for laying eggs. Workers are sterile females in charge of various tasks, such as collecting nectar and pollen, building combs, feeding larvae, and defending the hive. On the other hand, drones are males, whose main function is to fertilize the queen. Number 4. Ultraviolet vision. The ability to see in the ultraviolet spectrum.
This unique capability in their vision provides bees with a perspective of the world that escapes our human perception. A bee's eye has 3 types of color receptors, unlike humans who have only 2. In addition to receptors sensitive to blue and green light, bees are equipped with an additional receptor sensitive to ultraviolet light. This means that bees can see colors and patterns that are invisible to us. The ultraviolet vision of bees serves various functions in their daily lives. For example, it allows them to identify flowering patterns and navigate towards nectar sources. Flowers often have ultraviolet patterns that act as landing signals for bees, making it easier for them to efficiently find and collect pollen and nectar.
Number 3. Pollination.
Those tireless winged workers not only provide us with honey and wax but also play a crucial role in the pollination process. This interesting fact reveals that bees are among the most efficient and vital pollinators in nature. Pollination is the essential process for the reproduction of many flowering plants. As bees seek nectar in flowers, they inevitably become covered in pollen, the yellow dust containing the plant's male gametes. As bees move from flower to flower in search of food, they transfer pollen, facilitating fertilization and the formation of seeds and fruits. What's surprising is that bees not only perform this process as part of their food search but also can remember specific flower patterns and return to them, further enhancing the efficiency of pollination. This instinctive behavior and learning ability make bees invaluable partners for the diversity of flora.
Number 2.
Honey production. Those diligent creatures buzzing among the flowers and contributing to the balance of our ecosystem have a fascinating fact you might not know: their incredible honey production. Bees are masters in the art of apiculture, and their ability to transform flower nectar into liquid gold is truly astonishing. These tireless pollinators, primarily of the Apidae family, collect nectar from various flowers using their sharp vision to locate the richest food sources. Once they have gathered the nectar, they return to the hive, where the honey production process begins. Here, worker bees undergo a series of transformations to the nectar, adding enzymes and reducing its water content through constant wing fluttering, creating the thick and sweet consistency we know as honey. The amazing part is that a single worker bee produces only a small amount of honey in its lifetime. However, the true magnitude of honey production is revealed when considering the entire hive. An active and healthy hive, composed of thousands of bees, can generate significant amounts of honey during the harvesting season.
Number 1. Communication through dances. Bees are fascinating creatures that have developed astonishing forms of communication within their hives. A particularly intriguing and amazing fact about these insects is their ability to communicate through dances.
This unique phenomenon, known as bee dance, was discovered by the Austrian ethologist Karl von Frisch in the 1920s. When a bee discovers a food source, it returns to the hive and performs an elaborate dance to inform its fellow bees about the exact location of the resource. This dance is not merely a visual spectacle. It is a complex code that conveys vital information. There are two main types of dances used by bees to communicate: the round dance and the figure-8 dance. The former is used to indicate that the food source is less than 100 meters from the hive, while the latter signals that the distance is more considerable, usually beyond 100 meters.
Additionally, the orientation of these dances provides the exact direction in relation to the position of the sun.